Now we continue to dig into the Bexar County District Attorney's relationship with a group that's known as the Wren Collective.
And text messages obtained by KSAT show years of communication between DA Joe Gonzalez, his first assistant, and the founder of that criminal justice reform group. Now, some of those texts focus on policy within the DA's office. And as one criminal law expert tells the Night Team's Patty Santos, special interest groups are turning to district attorneys across the country in hopes of political change.
Here's the thing, though. Some people worry that the outsiders are meddling with justice.
Why should the community care? Why should taxpayers care who the DA is communicating with?
We need to make sure that we're punishing criminals and that we're effectively removing them from the streets. And the agenda of transforming or reimagining criminal justice is not what citizens in Bexar County want.
Bexar County Commissioner Grant Moody thinks the job of the elected Bexar County District Attorney is to enforce the laws, not to politicize or make social reform changes. He wonders how much influence the Wren Collective, an Austin-based group with ties to a California nonprofit, has on the outcome of justice for local families.
I'm uncomfortable with the idea that, the DA and his deputies are engaging with, an outside political group on these confidential cases. And it begs the question, too, is an outside political group influencing prosecuting decisions here in Bexar County?
KSAT reached out to Bexar County Judge Peter Sakai as well as all 3 other county commissioners for comments on the DA's working relationship with the Wren Collective. They were not made available.
It doesn't strike me as unusual that any political leader, and you have to remember, it's an elected office, they're political leaders, that they're consulting with others. That
Texas A&M criminal law professor Cynthia Alcon says political groups and nonprofits are very engaged in what's going on in the criminal legal system on all sides of the spectrum. District attorney offices are no exception.
In more recent years, DAs in a whole lot of communities have recognized that they do have broad discretionary power. There's almost no check on the power that DAs have in terms of deciding what cases to file and how to file them.
And Alcon says, well, it's not unusual for the DAs to seek outside feedback. She does believe outside groups should not be writing their policies. Meanwhile, Commissioner Moody says the DA is scheduled to speak at a commissioner's court in a few weeks. He says he has a few questions for Joe Gonzalez. Steve, Stefania.
Hello, everybody. Stefania Jimenez here. Thank you so much for watching KSAT's YouTube channel. Keep up to date with all of San Antonio's top news, weather, and so much more by clicking the like and subscribe buttons below. And once again, thanks for watching KSAT.